Hi everybody, in this video, I'll show you the procedure on how can you fix TARGY X08 AirPods one side working. If only one side of your TARGY X08 AirPods is working, you could try following the steps in order to fix it. So, first of all, you could actually reset and repair as well. For that, you want to press and hold the both earbuds, left as well as right, simultaneously for 5 to 10 seconds until they turn on. Now what you want to do is place both earbuds back into the charging case and close the lid. After which you want to allow a few seconds for the earbuds to turn off completely. Then you want to take the earbuds out of the case and repair them with their device. And what you could also do is you could also check device audio settings. Sometimes it could be on your device such as Android or an iPhone. You could check mono audio is enabled. If it is, then you want to simply turn it off. After which you could also locate the audio balance settings on your device and ensure it is centered. If the stick is to one side, adjust it to the center, and that should be able to help you out. Now these are some of the ways to fix it. So if the procedure doesn't seem to be working out, then you could go with a basic check such as debris. You could try cleaning the earbuds with a microfiber cloth or maybe your earbuds. Try doing it so and see whether that fixes your issue or not. You could also try charging. Sometimes if the battery is low, it could persist or lead to such issue. Or else you could update the earbuds firmware if an update is available, and that should be able to help. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.